Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're changing the cuff. What do you call this, Uncle?
Coupler.
The cuffler.
Steering coupler.
$34 at Advance Auto. Here's the. Is that the number?
Yeah, 202.
And this is the old one. It's really bad, and my steering is very wonky, and I'm just gonna change it right now, guys. What's going on right now, guys, is that I'm taking off the coupler, and my uncle's gonna turn the steering wheel right now. There. Now, guys, I'm gonna take off this nut that's right here. Is it towards you or towards Mexico? Towards Mexico. No, the other way. Oh, it's slipping. All right, guys, we took off the other bolt. It's a 12 point. That's why it was kind of hard. It was a 7/16. Where do I put this one at?
Right. No. Down. Nope, too far. Right there.
Right here? Okay. How far or how much pressure?
You already got the bolts taken out, right?
Except this one, and this one. I don't even know what that is.
We'll take out the other bolt.
That's another bolt?
This nut. You have to change down.
Damn it. So we had to take off that bolt, guys, to pull the steering wheel back. And now this is what happens. This goes to the truck. This is warped.
Push that thing out. You have to use it. Use the pry bar. The pry bar.
that's how it was on there, guys. Or not?
It's up to you.
Just like a little bit like that. Okay. Like this? Is it straight or no?
No, that way. The other way. Somewhere right there.
Do that again. Oh, fuck. It needs a lot. Hey, what's up, guys? I'm kind of like depressed right now, guys, because the GoPro died, and it's to the point that it bothers me and it depresses me that I didn't show you how it would went in. Wherever the GoPro died, that's where it died. I got the old one here, so I'm gonna try to explain as best I can. I know that's super lame, but this is it. This is a 12-point bolt that we have to take off. In order to slide this off, you have to take off these two bolts right here, these two, and remove the whole column. I think this one needs to be tightened down a little bit more tighter. It's not all the way down, but yeah, you got to move those two bolts, and then it slides out, and then it slides off the spline around here. So once you get that off, then you just get the new one and you just slide it on there, guys. You can put some WD-40 to slide it on there, and I did, and we slid it on there and everything, and then I put some blue Loctite on this bolt, which would be this one right here, so it won't slip out. Yeah, they had this particular part at Advanced Auto Parts for $35, and this is the rag joint one, conveyor belt type. This one right here is just a rubber mixed with a like mesh, it's like layered mesh, like metal. This is much stronger. This one's like $50. That one's $17 on Rock Auto, but I got it at Advance for $35. They had it right there and then, you know. If they usually have the part right there and then, I'll get it. If they have to like special order, which would take 7 days, same as Rock Auto, I probably would have got the $17 one, but they had it right there. I paid $35. I needed it because the steering was wonky, and I'm feeling really bummed out, guys. I felt like I got a freaking ticket from the cops because like I don't like finish uploading everything, and like it really bothered me. It's bothering me right now, and it's like, I don't know. And there's actually 3 videos backed up. This will be the 4th one. I'm gonna upload this today. And I changed my sister's oil on her Jeep 2015, so I'm gonna upload that. I'm probably gonna upload that today, and then I'll upload this tomorrow, and then I got 2 videos from this, so everything all together is like 4. Getting backed up here, saying that I didn't have any content. Now I got a lot. So I'm just gonna throw this away. This is the part number 202, and that's basically it. I guess that's the size. Here's some more numbers, guys, if you need them. Alright, guys, thanks for watching, guys. I'm sorry I didn't get that other piece, guys, but that won't happen again. The GoPro died, and this GoPro is getting super old, its battery's kind of wasting faster, so I'm gonna have to start being on top of this GoPro because it's wasting and like it's just not keeping up the charge. So thanks for watching, guys. Peace.